LEGO Serious Play is a thinking, communicating, and problem-solving technique that is innovative, highly productive, and fun. It is a hands-on, minds-on process that unlocks insights, creativity, and new information to make decisions to improve the organization performance. LEGO Serious Play is developed in an environment of trust, with a focus on the model and ideas, not on the person. The participants respond to a challenge or objective by building 3D models that allow them to represent and visualize complex ideas more clearly, facilitating communication and generating a deeper dialogue. LEGO Serious Play offers many possibilities for organizational transformation. It could be used for strategic planning, team building, resources management, career planning, development of new products and services, and many other possibilities.